My name is Dr. John Runback from American Endovascular and Amputation Prevention. I'm a vascular specialist, and I and my colleagues here at American Endovascular really our specialty is to treat patients who have peripheral arterial disease, restoring blood flow to patients who have blocked arteries in the legs due to the peripheral arterial disease or buildup of plaque within those vessels, hardening of the arteries. We have a lot of specialized tools. Really, the field has changed quite a bit over the last 30 years that I've been doing this, and certainly even within the last 5 to 10. And now with these specialized tools, in almost all cases, we can restore blood flow through blocked leg arteries using minimally invasive, non-surgical outpatient procedures, often as an alternative to what would have been major surgery, and with shorter recovery, less discomfort, and much less pain. We look forward to seeing you if you're having symptoms of leg pain when walking, pain that wakes you at night, or wounds or gangrene on your feet that aren't healing. So we can consult with you, find out what the problem is, and assist you in finding a path to feeling better.